And for today's video, it's a cooking series. Charot. Cooking series. So today guys, we will be making waterless chicken apple soup. So it's a healthy recipe. To start with, these are the ingredients: apple, garlic, ginger, napa, cabbage, and then white onion, pepper, salt, of course. Since my chef tayo for today's video, siya na ang bahala.
Sana all.
Enjoy!
Tapos, sunod natin itong apple. White onion. Onion, then itong bawang natin. Okay. Then, lagyan natin itong whole chicken.
So yun lang, hindi masyadong malaki yung pan na nagamit namin since
Ginger.
hindi ito yung deep frying pan or yung wok pan. So it must be something medyo deeper para at least mag-steam ng maayos yung chicken natin. So, but it's okay. Pwede naman. Nagawa naman ng paraan. So, yeah.
Then, set natin sa low fire lang for 60 minutes. Then, tapos, update natin mamaya.
So, ayan, as you can see, need lang natin na i-compress or i-press para magkasya. So, yeah, this is a classic Chinese home cooking. No water, no complex ingredients. So, minimal ingredients lang. And then, minimal preparation, of course. Ganun lang. And then, we will wait hanggang mag-steamed at mag-soften. So, yun. So, ayan na, malapit na and looks good na. So, it smells so good pa. Nai-smell mo talaga yung apple na steam.
Waterless chicken soup. Lagyan na natin itong toppings for final retouch. Ayan. Toppings siya. Tama. Taste natin kay Kaloks. Yun o, mausok-usok. Taste mo na ka.
Okay.
Blow. Yun o. Buto. Yun o.
Okay.
Blow. Blow mo na. Blow mo na, blow. Taste. Ha? Anong lasa? Oh, good. Totoo nga, yung napapanood sa TV. Talagang na-steam siya, na-steam. Yan. Okay.
So, rice is life. We need rice. So, let's eat, guys. So, legit. It's very soft and juicy. Smells so good. How much more if nilagyan na natin ng lemongrass? Kaso, we don't have available lemongrass. But anyway, masarap pa din naman. So, ciao guys. Thanks for watching.